Hey guys, today I'll be talking a little about an application I use in my tutorials. Now this software is called CamStudio. Now CamStudio is an open source application, and what this means is that you can go online and download and install it for free. Now I'll leave a link in the description to the site in which you can download it from. Now what CamStudio does is it allows you to record all screen and audio activities on your computer and create a media file for it. Now you can use CamStudio in recording tutorials, recording walkthroughs for games, or whatever walkthrough you want to do on your laptop or your computer, desktop. Now it can also be used to record troubleshooting, because say you don't really want to have to be writing down every little change you make in your troubleshooting when it has to do with a software problem or something on your computer that you need to be seen visually. Then you can use this software to record the troubleshooting, and when you're done troubleshooting you can go back on the recording and see where you went wrong in the troubleshooting, or where you went right in the troubleshooting. Now CamStudio, I won't show you the complete installation of the software because I already have it installed, but what I can tell you is that it's a very straightforward installation. You just double click on the setup file and it will carry you right through. Just accept the terms and agreements, press OK. The only thing is that it will give you the option of accepting additional software. You know, in my case it was a malware software, but in your case it might be something different. I don't need a malware software because I already have one on my computer, so I declined that offer. But aside from that, it's pretty straightforward. The installation doesn't last for more than probably 2 minutes or one, depending on how fast your computer is, or your internet. Yeah, it depends on how fast your computer is. Because it's in my case, it was the installation was from the computer and not from the internet, so it was dependent on how fast my computer was. But it's about 1 or 2 minutes, not very long. I won't go in depth with the settings, but what I can tell you is that by default, when you first install it, it will tell you it will be checked to do not record audio. Now if you want to record audio like what I'm doing right now, you can change it to record from a microphone or whatever you're using to record the audio from. I don't really understand the record audio from speaker, but as far as what I'm doing, record audio from microphone. Program options, you can choose where to minimize it when you're doing the recording, so this doesn't show, but in my case I want it to be shown because it's what I'm talking about in the video. Regions, you can change whether or not you want it to be fixed, because by default it's fixed, to full screen as what I'm having it as now, or as a window in which it is set as a certain size, which you can change it depending on what you want it to record. Now you can, below it you have the option of changing the media file format, whether you want it as AVI, MP3 or Flash, and you can change toggle the size, how you view the CamStudio box. So whether you want like this doesn't really matter, but they give the option. You can choose to pause the video, stop the video, whatever you want to do in between recording the videos. So I think this is about it in talking about CamStudio. I hope you guys liked the video and, well, at least got something informative about it. So like, share, comment, and tell me what you would like me to review in the future.